Upstairs is the Chicken Ramen Factory. Here you get to make fresh chicken ramen by kneading, stretching, and flavoring your own dough. It's an extremely popular activity, so you have to make a reservation beforehand. After the dough is all ready to go, they stretch it out and cut them in the noodle.
It was an hour and a half long, and they really took you through the whole process from start to finish. We got to mix our dough, roll it out, and even cut it. Now it's time to put the date on there and write your name on the package. They're deep frying our ramen right now. That's why it's so good. Deep fried. And voila! That's how it's made.
Also be fried. The color changes from this to this, giving the noodles their distinct color. After frying, the noodles are cooled, bringing down the temperature, prepping them for the packaging room.
Do you think you make a kilometer worth of noodles in a day?
Oh, much more.
More than a kilometer. All right, well, we can extrapolate that later.
Yeah.
And in 1989, the New York Times wrote, "The growing US appetite for Asian-style ramen can no longer be ignored." It became a fixture in US supermarkets, despite being a new type of food for a lot of Americans. Today, instant ramen consumption in the US is over 4.5 billion servings per year, and over 100 billion servings globally.
While most ramen ya's kitchens are wide open to see, you may be surprised at all the work that goes into owning a ramen store yourself. While ramen is Japanese fast food, it's not a fast process to make. It takes time, dedication, hard work, and knowledge.